Thank you, Justin. We have got further settled weather to come this weekend. That does mean some more dry weather to come. Of course, some farmers, for example, could probably do with a bit of rain, but is remaining settled with some sunshine. It's also becoming quite a bit warmer. It has been quite chilly at times over the past week, but we are going to see a gradual change in those temperatures. With all the sunshine, though, I feel we're really hitting that time of year where suddenly everything looks very green. So I've had a look through for the greenest weather watcher pictures I could find. This is in Cornwall, first of all, by Portslevin. So very green trees around here. Also very green and serene view from Mike B and Bobby Tracy. And also looking particularly green across the Somerset levels, various shades of green here captured by Village Life. It's also looking pretty green across Dartmoor earlier on today. Still a little bit breezy across highest ground, and it is looking, I think, generally, quite peaceful with that fair weather cloud as well, despite that breeze just taking the edge off the temperatures. Some socially distanced ponies there. They'll probably be quite glad to hear some less cold nights to come in the week ahead. That's been a real shock at times this week with those chilly overnight temperatures. And it's going to be quite cold, I think, at times tonight. We've got a lot of clear sky still. Quite a bit of cloud over the Atlantic, still some cloud affecting parts of Spain, producing some rain. But in between that, for us, there's this ridge of high pressure. It's coming up from the Azores, which means some milder air to go with it. There's some lighter winds, a change in wind direction as well, all add to a less cold feel for the weather. As I said, still a bit chilly, I think, tonight. But it's really through the second half of the weekend, the yellow and oranges indicating those warmer temperatures arriving by the end of the weekend and into next week. Back to the end of today, though. Really hardly a cloud in the sky across the southern parts of England. So we'll keep, I think, a fair amount of clear sky throughout much of tonight. There may be a bit of cloud for parts of Somerset and Dorset through the night, but I think it's particularly for inland parts of Devon, for example. We could see temperatures a bit lower than elsewhere. So lows generally of 4 or 5 degrees, but locally a bit chillier than that with those light winds as well. So it could be a bit of a cool start for Saturday, but some sunshine with us from first thing as well. Some passing cloud may build up for a time in the middle part of the day, but remaining dry through the day on Saturday. There's winds from the west or northwest and highs of 16 or 17 degrees. I think Isles of Scilly will have a pretty decent day with some lighter winds here. It should be sunny and dry, just perhaps a bit of cloud again later on in the day. Times of high water for tomorrow, the high tides at Minehead at 02:20 and at 14:54, and at Portland 01:45 and 15:34. Out at sea, the weather is looking again fairly settled. The weather is fair with good visibility. The winds from the northwest at a force 3 to 4 throughout the day tomorrow. A look ahead then to Sunday. We've got, I think, still a fair amount of sunshine to come for us. The cloud and the rain stays further to the north. So Sunday looking very similar for us, really, to Saturday, with temperatures up to 15, 16 degrees. Those winds are fairly light. Monday, a bit of cloud may build at times, but still essentially remaining settled. But that warmth really builds up until Wednesday, the warmest day of the week ahead. Highs up to 20 or 21 degrees. Though if you need some rain, a chance of some showers on Thursday, but still some sunshine. And so looking fairly settled for Friday. Have a good weekend.